guys, this is Next School back in our video. Today we're going to be opening 3 booster packs. We got 2 evolutions, 1 Steve's egg, and a little Blastoise pin. So, Blastoise, Mega Blastoise. As you can see, there is the pin. And so then, I think we're going to do that one first, which is the Steve's egg. So let's hope we get something good. Hoping for at least an EX, maybe in these 3 packs. At least something good like that. Alright, so switch it around. We got Flappy. We got Amphibium. I don't know. Lampet. Marill. Ponyta. Litwick. Joltix. Fungus, Reverse Trainer, and sorry, I dropped that one. We got a Hollow Rivalto. Okay. Alright, so now we're moving on to Blastoise. Yeah, that's a Blastoise, Aiden. No, Venusaur. Alright, so down away. I'll do 3 cards from the back. Switch it around. We got Poliwhirl, trainer card, another trainer card, Poliwag, Nidoran, Onix, Growlithe, Machop, Reverse Electrode. Yes! Now, for those, you're probably thinking, Aiden, yes. No, but, Mega Blastoise EX, full art, very cool, very shiny, very feel good. That meets my expectations. We'll set that one back there. Very cool. And we're on to Raichu. Well, Evolutions Raichu. You know what I mean. Alright, so we'll open that one up. Take that one away. 1, 2, 3 cards from the back. Alright, so we got Trainer, Haunter, Trainer, Ghastly, Growlithe, Energy, Staryu, Drowsy, Reverse Coughing, and Devigon. Not mad. That's weird. What a coincidence that I get the Mega Blastoise pin, and then I get the Mega Blastoise full art card. It's like, bruh. No, but it's kind of cool, but kind of funny. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.